let's just look at what the Supreme Court said yesterday. It was in a different context, but it holds large for the whole picture. Supreme Court, in fact, said yesterday that the machinery moves only when there is an outrage. Wasn't this correct for Badlapur as well? What happened in Badlapur? People, locals, parents came down to protest, and once things went out of hand, once they came and protested on the railway tracks, they stopped, they literally challenged the state machinery. That's when things started moving. How many hours were the parents made to wait at the school to file an FIR? After how many hours? In fact, till the time the protests had taken place, the second victim or the survivor in this case, a child, a 4-year-old child's statement was also not taken. How many hours this happened on 12th or 13th, and we're talking at least 4 days since then. The statement was not also recorded. Everything collapsed. The school did not even go to the police. Everything collapsed, sir. And finally people woke up, the state woke up, the police was forced into action after the entire nation saw the anger on the railway tracks, on the and other places. Now my question is this. Of course, there is no question that Bandh is illegal. Bandhs cannot happen. Bandhs should not happen. There is no question of that. Ordinary people cannot be inconvenienced. But do you accede? Do you accept the fact that you have also been caught on the back foot because you've been forced into action after there was outrage on the streets?
Neha, please don't interrupt when I speak now. See, whatever this heinous crime has taken place in Badlapur, it is most condemnable. Nobody can have another view on that. See, this Honorable Bombay High Court, Suyamoto, has been observing what is happening in Badlapur and what is happening in Maharashtra. The moment this issue came up, the state government of Maharashtra has immediately put that culprit behind the bar. DIG level inquiry has been set up, SIT has been set up, school management has been suspended. So all actions are being taken in shortest possible time, which Honorable High Court observing. Now coming to the public outrage, on that there was a public outrage and one can understand. However, during that outrage, one can also see it was a planned action, how people can come with placards and all that. So there is a lots of politics going on. Honorable High Court has observed that also. And therefore, rightly so, High Court has restrained these political parties to observe Bandh tomorrow. And I think in Maharashtra, this Badlapur issue, though it is most condemnable, it is a heinous crime, but opposition parties are making issue out of that. Sharad Pawar's wiser sense prevailed, and he has rightly said that we will not observe Bandh, we will support government to book the culprits and ensure that such incidents never happen again.
No, my question, you told me not to interrupt, and I have a breaking news that's ready. But let me tell you, it's not as clean as you're trying to make out, because there have been some very scathing questions by the court against you. And because you told me not to interrupt you, I'm going to fact check you on this, because the court has asked these questions. The court has asked these questions. Why did the school not go to the police? The court has asked this question. Why were parents made to wait for 12 hours before filing the FIR? The court has asked the question about why was the school not reporting any of these crimes? Why was the child, the 4-year-old survivor in this case, his statement not taken for 4 days? I am not asking these questions. The court is asking these questions. So I'm just fact checking you on the not so correct statements that you have made.